maybe kwa the audience wangependa kujua kwa nini Manson aliamua tu afanye gospel music, si secular?
Okay, I can say I was brought up in a Christian family. So it's my inspiration. Na vile nime grow, I've been wanting to talk and tell people about this salvation. Yeah, so ni kitu nime grow nikitaka kufanya kwa maisha. Yeah.
Ni kitu imekuwa like umekuwa ukitamani sana like ufanye kabisa.
Naam.
Give people information but through gospel.
Through gospel, yeah. Yeah, ni kitu napenda kufanya. Yeah.
Nabii tuambie tu ulianza kuimba ukiwa mdogo miaka ngapi hivi?
Nikiwa high school, I nili notice I can sing. I'm talented in music in 2013. Nikiwa high school. Yeah, so this along nimekuwa nikiandikia watu ngoma na naona zinaenda. So ndo unajua ukiandika wimbo kuna vile unataka ule ujumbe ufike. So at a point nikaingia nikiwa studio nikajaribu na wimbo. So nikapata this information niko nayo itakuwa vizuri mimi nikisema mimi mwenyewe ifikie watu mimi mwenyewe kuliko nipatie mtu mwingine. Yeah, because when you write someone a song, he may not get the right purpose of why you wrote the song. Yeah.
So since 2013 hapo ndio ulianza kuimba? Kuandika.
Yeah, nimekuwa nikiandika sana kuliko kuimba. Yeah.
Maybe then your first ever song yenye ulitoa your video ilikuwa gani?
Naam, ilikuwa 2020. Nilifanya wimbo na msanii mkubwa sana anaitwa Lilian Kirui. Naam. Tulienda hivi akanipata studio akasikiza vocal zangu tukafanya wimbo. Naam.
Talking about Lilian Kirui, maybe tuambie because ni mwimbaji mkubwa sana. Maybe tuambie how did you guys get to know each other? Ama mlimitaje mkaanza kupanga wimbo na kuandika wimbo na mkatoa wimbo na yeye? Maybe nani aliapproach mwenzake?
Nilimuapproach. I can say nilimuapproach. Nilimuapproach kwa sababu nilipenda vile anaimba. Yeah, ni msanii mkubwa ana jina lakini ni mtu sasa alikuwa ananisikiliza mimi. So siku moja akaniita studio. Tukajaribu hivi akakubali sauti yangu. Tukafanya wimbo na namshukuru Mungu huo wimbo ulipokelewa vizuri. Naam.
And how was it like work na yeye? Ilikuwa vipi? Nini ulilearn kutoka kwake?
Naweza sema nilichukua ile virtual yake like she's very humble na nikalan kusikiza alinisikiza the fact that I had nothing and I was starting and I had no idea on how to kukuja kwa hii game ya muziki. Naam.
Ulikuwa upcoming uprising artist.
Yeah, I was. So I didn't have an idea how it works.
Okay.
Yeah, so alinipea moyo sana. Alinimotivate and I thank God. After nimefanya kama nyimbo zangu nikiwa mwenyewe 3-4 tena alikuja akanitafuta akaniambia bado naomba tufanye moja. Yeah.
And it was really amazing working with her.
It was very amazing na najua aliko she's very far right now and I'm very sure she's very happy with my progress. Yeah.
Wow, amazing man. So like maybe tuambie how many songs have you done so far? Kuna ngoma kama ngapi hivi yenye ziko pale kwa YouTube?
I have 9 audios, then I have 6 videos in YouTube.
9 audios and 6 videos on YouTube.
Yeah, 6 videos. Yeah, I did my latest song called Mweza 4 days ago.
Wow.
Yeah.
Naona inaenda
nakubali na imekuja na neema na namshukuru Mungu.
Like so far it has 4 days on YouTube.
Yeah, and it's approaching 10,000 views.
Yeah, 10,000 views in 4 days.
Yeah.
That's really incredible. Maybe tuambie, how do you feel about that? Because you see, it has been like it is your first ever song to hit compared to the rest that you have done. Yeah. Maybe tuambie, unahisiaje kama msanii?
It's really giving me a stamina. Like I have a purpose in this ministry, and my purpose is to get people out of starvation in the street to this salvation. So mziki ikienda inanipa moyo because I feel I'm reaching now more people. Yeah, because sababu nimeona pia TikTok inaenda vizuri. Yeah. Yeah, so I feel inafikia watu wengi
sana.
Naam.
Wow, and you feel amazing about it.
Yeah, very amazing.
Really amazing. So bro, maybe tuambie Manson, like kwa hizo songs zote umetoa, you have 9 audios and 6 videos so far on YouTube, right? Maybe tuambie like kwa hizo 6 songs zenye right now we can watch on YouTube.
Yeah.
Maybe tuambie kwa hizo zingine, kwa hizo 6, gani is your most favorite song ever that you feel like hii naipenda sana, like, you know?
There is a song called Mambo ya Jana.
Mambo ya Jana.
Yeah, Mambo ya Jana. I love that song sana kwa sababu it's a reflection about my past.
Wow.
Yeah. It talks about me.
About your past.
Yeah, it talks about my past. Yeah.
Man. You know, when you are talking about your past, that's really it trickles about some few things to anyone who could be listening to the song. Maybe tuambie, talking about your past, kwani past yako ilikuwa aje? Tuambie kidogo tu.
Kidogo kwa maisha, as vile nilisema, I was brought up in a Christian family. Yeah, so ile time ilifika when I went to university, kuna ile that freedom. Karibu nisahau zile njia nilipewa na mzazi. Yeah, so nilikuwa napotea kidogo. Sisemi nikupotea, but hiyo freedom ilinifanya nikafanya zile mambo I guess kila kijana anaelewa. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so wakati nilikumbuka, I felt like I should talk through the lyrics na itasaidia na ifike watu wengi.
Wow.
Naam.
Manson, let's talk about your new song that now has hit 10,000 views on YouTube right now.
Yeah.
For the past 4 days.
Yeah, 4 days.
Maybe tuambie, what was really going in your mind when you were composing the song, and on that as well, like how long did it take you to probably maybe compose the song, rather to write the song, like ilikugharimia how many days, like period, maybe tuambie, like ilikuwa vipi?
The song is called Muweza.
Muweza.
Yeah, and as I said, my music is based on my own life reflection. Yeah, najua I'm a human being, like any other human being. So challenges, life challenges also have a vast space in my life. Yeah, so kwa ile mambo nimepitia, ile experience niko nayo ya maisha, I felt like God is making things better for me every day.
Sure.
Yeah, so I did it Muweza to thank God. Yeah, slightly I wrote the song 4 months ago, Muweza. And unfortunately, when we were going to film the song, we had a slight accident.
Wow, sorry, man.
Yeah, so I felt like God was trying to talk something.
Sure.
Yeah, and
so it slightly kind of disrupted the program.
Yeah, so we rescheduled the shoot. Na ndo sababu na feel wimbo umekuja na neema yake.
Sure.
Yeah.
Wow.
Man,
so of course you have said, maybe if I may ask you, you are still an upcoming artist in the gospel music industry, and you are also wishing yourself to be great.
Sure.
In this particular field of gospel part of it. Maybe tuambie, of course I know you have someone probably you could be looking up to.
Sure.
When it comes to music, gospel music industry. And we have so many people, so many artists who are doing well, you know what I'm saying? Like maybe tuambie, like who would you like to do a collabo with, or who really inspires you when it comes to gospel music industry? Who inspires you?
I can say I'm inspired by anyone who is doing biblical music,
Like
but mostly I love what Ringtone does.
Ringtone Apoko.
Yeah, sure.
Umesema Ringtone Apoko really inspires you, man?
He's my mirror. He's
your mirror, man.
Yeah, sure.
Wow, Ringtone Apoko, you are wondering, like this man, like he's saying, like you really inspires him when it comes to gospel music. So probably maybe he's watching this, man. So what can you tell Ringtone Apoko?
I can say napenda kazi yake sana, And there are things I love about Ringtone, and actually that is me.
Wow.
Yeah, Ringtone ni mtu, if you don't do things right, atakwambia straight, like you're not doing this, it should be done like this. Yeah, the other thing I love about Ringtone is na feel is hardworking, and that is me. Yeah, and I assume he does so many things besides music, na imemsaidia kuwa successful in life.
Wow.
Yeah.
Talking about Collabo, let's talk about Collabo. Maybe tuambie, you have said the gospel artist who inspires you is Ringtone Apoko. Maybe tuambie, when it comes to Collabo, who would you like to do a collabo with?
Ringtone, of course.
Bro, Ringtone, unajua ule jamaa kuna pesa, utaweza kweli bro? Pale, tuambie, utaweza?
I know my potential. Yeah.
So you can literally do a collabo with Ringtone Apoko?
Yeah, I can. I know my potential. If he gives me a chance, hata yeye atakubali.
Now you can afford that.
I know my potential.
You know your potential.
Yeah.
You can prove him wrong.
Yeah, sure.
Amazing. Man, maybe before we wrap up the show, or rather this particular interview, maybe ningependa kukuuliza tu like how does your parent take your career when it comes to gospel music? Wao wanapokelea kivipi so far? Wamepokelea kivipi? Wamepokea kivipi like?
They are very supportive.
They're very supportive parents.
And fortunately, I'm the last born in our family. So I guess my family loves what I do because they think what I do is what makes me happy. Yeah. So they are very supportive. They love what I'm doing. Yeah.
Mimi tuambie changamoto unapitia kama msanii mwenye anajipuka hivi ana upcoming artist. Mimi tuambie, of course najua kwa every field lazima tukue na changamoto. Ushaelewa? Mimi tuambie wewe kama Manson unapitia changamoto kama gani? Maybe moja mbili hivi. Msanii.
Production is very expensive. Yeah, but nilijifunza kitu moja. If you happen, I'm doing ministry. So if you happen to have expectation in this, utakuwa frustrated. Yeah, so nilikubali, I'm doing this as a ministry. I'm not doing my music as a job. Ikijipa, of which I'm working, na Mungu anaendelea kunipea stamina on the same, nitafika where God wants me to be. Yeah.
Maybe if I may ask you, as we wrap up, like where do you draw your inspiration when you want to write a song? Or like what really motivates you to maybe come up with an idea to start writing a song, or to start composing a certain song? Like easy inspiration, wewe unazipata aje? Ile stamina unazitoa wapi baba?
Shughuli za kila siku za maisha, experiences za maisha, na pia kusoma Biblia. Yeah, so hiyo reflection ya maisha na Biblia kidogo, you'll get what to write.
Wow.
Yeah, so naweza sema you cannot write or you cannot preach without reading the Bible. Yeah, so nasema Biblia pia. Naam.